Zoom, zoom, zoom world. Habai folks, wubbo kabum, tubbo zubum wubbold. Maba nabam ubbis dubba yubble. That of course means my name is Dual. Welcome to Zoom World. I'm back again with another clip vid. Actually, it's going to be double because I wouldn't be able to get the whole start of the clip I really want to show you, but it's going to include an Ubbi-Dubbi bit before the actual clip. We're going to go to the second season. It'll be from episode 213 before Tracy, Nancy, and Kenny go Splitsville right before Bernadette, Luis, and Leon join the group, which consists of the four new Zoomers that joined the latter three I mentioned, which they happen to be Mara, David, Jay, and Ann. Now, it'll start with Tracy doing the Ubbi-Dubbi Cough Drop bit, but after this, it's going to go to the one surefire thing that was one of, if not the most funniest Zoom bits there ever was. Before Luis even did his little, do you know what this is? Do you know how to spell it bit? Which that would happen to be, there's a car. Yes, it's one of the funniest bits. Now, if I do laugh in some parts, I do apologize, but I'm gonna try to keep my laughter a little under control, okay? Alright, that about covers it. So sit back, relax, and enjoy.
Well, Rieslo, after this important message, Habai Shrubins, Sabi Zabis, Zabis Ubbis Ubben, Ubba Bubby Dubba Bubby, Cough Drop. Ubba Dubbas Rubbin Ubba Yubba Cough, Ubben Rubbin Mubbin Ubben, Ubben Yubbu Ubben Lubby Nubby Tubby Yubbos Rubbin, Ubben Zubbin Yubbu Coven Gullo Baba Tubuk Scubble, Ubben Flubber Chilbu Nubba Rubby. And now back to Zoom. There's a car. Where? Over there. 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 There's a car.
Where?
Over there.
There's a car.
Where?
Over there.
There's a car. Where? Over there. There's a car.
Where?
Over there.
There's a car.
Where?
Over there.
There's a car. Where? Over there. There's a car. Where? Over there. There's a car.
Where?
Over there.
There's a car.
Where?
Over there.
There's a car. Where? Over there. There's a car. Where? Over there.
There's a car.
Where? Over there. There's a car. Where? Over there. There's a car. Where? Over there. There's a car.
Where?
Over there.
There's a car.
Where?
Over there.
There's a car. Where? Over there. There's a car. Where? Over there.
There's a car.
Where?
Over there.
There's a car.
Where?
Over there. There's a car. Where? Over there. There's a car.
Where?
Over there.
There's a car.
Where?
Over there.
There's a car. Where? Over there. There's a car. Where? Over there. I'm gonna get for me.
Now you see what I mean, folks? Now that is what I call funny. Boy, I would have loved to have done this with my friends if I had seen Zoom a long time ago, but, well, as you know, I never did because Zoom stopped being rerun in 1980, the year I was born. But hey, I got a good imagination and what have you. Just kind of use my imagination and pretend that if I had actually learned how to do this with my friends and what have you. So I kind of just got a little bit of my laughter, but not too hard and what have you. That there's a car is a bit that really gives me a good laugh, you know. So anyway, that's it for my Zoom clip, and well, I'll go ahead and give you a heads up on the next Zoomer Spotlight. You saw Tracy at the beginning, who happens to be this week's Zoomer in the Zoomer Spotlight. That's right, I'm going to be doing Tracy Tampering for this weekend in the Zoomer Spotlight. So I'm going to go ahead. So I thought, just in case, I thought I'd go ahead and give you a heads up. Anyway, that's going to do it. I do hope you enjoyed this. And if you like this, please tell me what you thought about in the comments section. And if you liked the video, consider clicking the like button and be a part of Zoom World. Anyway, stay tuned. This weekend will be my Tracy Tampering Zoomer Spotlight vid. And I do hope it's going to be good. Because my first three have already done so well. The one I just did for Lori just more recently has already become my most viewed vid, surpassing the one I did on Mara, who of course you saw in the vid. Anyway, alright, enough said. If you like this, just consider watching the other fun bits I had recently done, these clips. In the upper left-hand corner is the do you know what this is? You know how to spell it bit? The upper right-hand corner is the Zoom Play of the Week, the first one they did in Riddles from Season 1, and the bottom left-hand corner is the previous vid I did of a clip for the Zoom game Crab Soccer from Season 3. And the bottom right-hand corner is the button you can click to subscribe to Zoom World. If you're into the classic PBS Kids show Zoom, then this is the place for you. So until next time, this is your friend Doyle saying, see ya!